Welcome to WaveEdu AI channel. I'm your host Rajesh Yogi. I am the Chief Technical Officer at WaveEdu. Here, from last few video series, we are discussing all about the artificial intelligence. I am sharing what is actually behind the screen in the WaveEdu AI platform. So this is the fourth video, and let me recap that what we have discussed in the last three videos. In the very first video, we discussed about data and algorithms. Then in video 2, we discussed the old and a new generative AI. We discussed what is generative AI and how generative AI is capturing the pattern. Then in video 3, we discussed the machine learning. The machine learning is how machines can identify the patterns. In today's video, we are going to discuss best large language model and why we choose the best large language model available currently in the IT sector. So first of all, let's discuss what is large language model or the LLM. The LLM is the gigantic digital brain. It's a very big brain that allows the WaveEdu API or the APIs or the app to understand our complex questions and answer them very easily. The large language model are developed by some very big companies, and we are using one of the best large language model based on our findings, Google Gemini. So let's discuss everything about LLM today. An LLM is a type of artificial intelligence called a massive neural network. Let's think of this neural network as a digital brain with billions of connections, and these connections are called parameters. The first L in LLM is the large. These models, parameters, billions of connections, they are trained on unbelievable vast amount of text data, books, articles, websites, IT code, and everything. This scale is what gives them their incredible understanding of language. Google is working on it. Google brings this Google Gemini, and what we did, we used the Google Gemini capacity to power the WaveEdu API. So in WaveEdu API, the LLM which we are using is Google Gemini's LLM or Google's LLM. Now, despite LLM complexity, the LLM's job is very simple, very simple. It just trying to predict the next word. Like your phone, when you type on your phone, let's say when you are texting to your friend, you can see the keyboard of the phone try to give you a kind of a guess text or a autofill text. The same way LLM, Google Gemini's LLM brings the prediction. But that prediction is coming from a massive scale. It finds the most statistically probable sequence of word to complete your sentence. Whatever you want or story or explanation, the LLM or Google Gemini LLM brings the answer. So when you ask WaveEdu AI app a question, the LLM Google Gemini is constantly calculating the most logical, relevant and grammatical correct answer. The technology that made this massive prediction possible is called the transformer architecture. Transformer architecture. This is the secret sauce that allows these LLMs to become so smart. The transformer introduced something called attention. In technical term, this attention allows the AI to look at a word and bring the next word or bring the next pattern. So this is why WaveEdu AI, powered by cutting edge LLM Google Gemini, and that's why the WaveEdu AI is so smart. Because of the transformer, it doesn't just see a question as a list of words. It sees the intent of the student. It sees the context of the question. It sees the context of the test. It sees the entire learning history. This allows it to generate a detailed, accurate, and relevant responses to even your more complex questions or queries. We choose Google Gemini to help you. And by the way, we know Google Gemini is getting smarter and smarter in coming years, and we will try our best to deliver you some of the best available technology using WaveEdu AI. The LLM is the brain, and it is powered by constant word prediction, Google Gemini. But why did we choose Google Gemini? Because it's coming from Google, or we don't have a choice? No. What makes Google Gemini LLM different from the others which are available in the market? In video 5, we are going to deep dive into the power of Gemini. Why we choose Google's artificial intelligence instead of whatever available in the market. We will show the unique advantages of Google Gemini. WaveEdu AI app is freely available, free to download on App Store and Google Play Store. Please download and see the difference. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe the channel, because you are going to learn many more things on artificial intelligence. We will keep updating you if you subscribe the channel with the new videos. So, in upcoming video, we are going to discuss why Google Gemini is smarter choice. Thank you for now.